What's up, YouTube? This is a video on how to do the reverse. So, the reverse is like this. Okay, I had to do all that. But here's how to do it. So, when you step down, you want to make sure this is down, this elbow is down. I'm starting off with my left. So, left, down. Then do the same thing, down. But then once you come up, you don't go all the way down. You just plant your foot like that, and then you just go like you give your body like a little jerk, and then you could go like this. And that's how you do the reverse. I'll see you guys later. Peace.